Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to change the source or HDMI on your Insignia TV, both with and without a remote. Now first, the remotes can differ some, so look if you have an input or source button. For mine it's the Fire TV and doesn't have one. But what I can do here with the remote is press home. Then you see right here, here's input. Just go and switch. What you can also do with the remote is press right here, the two boxes. These are your most recent apps or sources. Now if you don't have your remote, and by the way, if you have the Fire TV and want to get one, I'll link a replacement. Now your TV should have a button. For some it's under the Insignia logo, but for mine it's right here. For mine it says power/input. Now if you feel underneath that there's a button, so just press it, don't hold it. That brings up the HDMI switcher. Now if you keep pressing it, he'll keep alternating. Just go to whichever one. Then stop pressing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.